Good morning, students. I myself, I.K. Misra, your mathematics teacher, came here with taking a video for class 6, chapter 4, integers. Students, this is the second part of the video series. In the first part of the video, I discuss about questions what is integers, how can you represent integers on number line, and absolute value of integers. Here there I explained all the topics, and after that I told complete the questions of exercise 4a. Students, today I am going to discuss here problems of exercise 4a of RS Agarwal book. Students, now proceed in question number 11. Students, I think you have already completed the questions 1 to 9 8. Students, today here I discuss question number 9. First, here question number 9, write the following integers in the increasing order. Students, when you have to write increasing order, that means first of all write the smallest integer. And observe here first question is given. Here first 5 minus 7 minus 2 0 and 8. Here you have to arrange in ascending order or in increasing order. So here observe which is the smallest in all of this. Here minus 7 is the smallest. After that minus 2, after that 0, after that 5 and 8. So its order in increasing order minus 7, minus 2, 0, 5 and 8. Students, similarly you can write this second number question in increasing order. Minus, here observe here minus 100. And students, when you say any number without minus sign is greater, but every larger number with sign negative is very less. So here smallest integer is minus 100. So first of all write minus 100. After that here minus 23. After that here minus 6. After that minus 1. And after that here 0 and finally 12. Here 12. These are arranged in increasing order of integers. Now students, I discuss question number 10. Here in question number 10, students, I discussed question number 9. Now in question number 10, using number line, write the integers which is 5 more than 6. Students, in the discussion, in the explanation of integers that was in previous videos, I discussed this type of problems. Students, now till you not watched that video, students, you can click the blue link in the description box and watch the previous videos. Students, now discuss this term. First number question, 4 more than 6. First of all draw, students, a number line, a line, and here 4 more than 6. Here write, here no negative integers is called, so write here 0, here minus 1 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Students, here 4 more than 6. First of all, notice 6. Here 6 and do 4 step right side. 4 more. When more to go left to right. Here 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. Students, here 4 more than 6. B is equal to 10. Here in 4 steps it reached at 10. Similarly, students, you can write this 5 more than minus 6. I write here first of all draw a line. Second number question, a line, and 5 more than minus 6. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Students, here 5 more than minus 6. First of all, identify minus 6 and go more than. That means left to right. Here you have to go in this direction, and 5 more. Then you go 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, its answer is equal to minus 1. 5 more than minus 6 is minus 1. It's your answer. Similarly, students, I discussed you can 6 less than 2. Less than means you have to go right to left. Here I write third number question. First of all, draw a line. 6 less than 2. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. Students, first of all, 6 less than 2. Less than 2. First of all, notice here 2. And go 6 steps less left, right to left. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 steps left. Then answer is equal to minus 4. Its answer. Similarly, students, you can do 4 number question. 2 less than minus 3. First of all, draw here 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Students, here 2 less than minus 3. Here minus 3 and less, then go right to left 2 steps. 1 and 2. Students, that means 2 less than minus 3 is equal to 2 less than minus 3 equal to minus 5. Students, here observe. Here you go right to left, that means subtract. And if you have to go left to right, add. Now this question is completed. 10 number question. After that, in question number 11. In question number 11, students observe, for each of the following statement, write T for true and F for false. F for false. Here first statement, the smallest integer is 0. Students, here integers are shown on number line. Can you say a smallest integer? No. Here a smallest integer is undefined because you go right to left to infinity. That means here infinity and in positive direction also infinity. So students, you never say the smallest integer and largest integer, but you can say largest negative integer. Students, here minus 1 is the largest negative integer, because if you go right to left in this direction, it be less than previous. So students, here 1 minus 1 is the largest negative integer, but no largest integer. Here 1 is smallest positive integer, not largest or a smallest integer. Here no possibility to write a smallest integer. So students, this statement is the smallest integer is 0 is false. F. Students, in second number question, 0 is not an integer. Students, here 0 is an integer. So students, this statement is also false. In 3 number question, the opposite of 0 is 0. Yes. Here, if you have to write opposite of minus 1, be 1, opposite of minus 2, be 2, but opposite of 0 be 0. So this statement is true. So students, write true T. In 4 number question, minus 10 is greater than minus 6. Observe here students, minus 10, I write here minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Students, here when we go right to left, it will be less. So students, here minus 10 is greater than minus 6 is false, because minus 10 is less than minus 6. So this statement is false. In question number 5, the absolute value of an integer is always greater than integer. Always not greater than. Absolute value of, if you write absolute value of 2 is equal to 2 and not greater than it, but you write absolute value of minus 1 is equal to 1. Here in this case it be larger, but not always. So this statement is also false. Now in question number 6, 0 is larger than every negative integer. Yes students, here observe, 0 is larger than every integer, negative integer. So this statement is true. Question number 7, every negative integer is less than every natural number. Students, think, every negative integer is less than. Yes, this statement is true, because every negative integer is less than any natural number. Natural number is started from 1. So students, every positive integer means 1 to infinity, and natural number is started from 1. So every negative integer is less than every natural number. This statement is true. Now here the successor of minus 187 is minus 188. Students, successor means plus 1 just after. Here minus 187, and just after, that means right side. Just after, that means right side, that means 186. So students, this statement is false, because here written the successor of minus 187 is minus 188. This is false. Students, in next, the predecessor of minus 215. Predecessor minus 215. Here if you write right side, that means successor 214 minus, and here minus 216. Here students, its before integer is -216, and this is the after. That means this is the successor and this is the predecessor of 215 -215. So students, this statement is also false. So students, now proceed in next question. Your next question, find 12 number question, find the value of modulus -9. Students, in the explanation where I explained absolute value of integers, I discussed this type of problems. What do you mean by mod 9? Mod, its full form is modulus, and when any integers is written in double vertical lines, between double vertical lines, this is called modulus, and its value is always positive. So students, here in first number question, here if you answer the first number question, modulus -9 is equal to 9. Here second number question, modulus -36 is equal to 36. Here in 3 number question, 0 modulus, mod 0, absolute value of 0, that means you can also call 0 absolute value, that means equal to 0. Here 15 4 number question, modulus 15, that means here is equal to 15 minus 13. Students, here care, here minus sign, one minus sign is before the modulus. So student, and its value is positive 13, that means its value is minus, no changing in this minus sign, minus, and its value be 13. So its value is -13. After that students, here it's a very important question, 7 plus mod -3. Here students observe, 7 plus minus modulus 3, absolute value of 3, and first write absolute value, 7 plus absolute value of -3 means 3 is equal to 10. Students, if you can easily do this, here 3 and positive value it's taken. Student, discuss this question. Here 7 number question, 8 minus modulus -7. Modulus -7 means absolute value of -7. Students, 8 minus and absolute value of -7, that means 7, that means 1. Its answer. So students, now proceeding 13 number question, write 5 negative integers greater than -7. Greater than means, students, greater than means go right side on the integers number line. So students, here after that, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, here we have to write 5 negative integers, 1 2 3 4 5, and if you write -1, here 5 negative integers which is larger than, greater than -7. Students, I write next question, write 5 negative integers less than -20, -20 less than -20. Students, you can write any negative integers, -20, here -21, -25, -26, -27, -28, -29, -30, and you can write infinity number of integers less than -20. So students, here I completed all the questions from 9 to 13 of exercise 4A. First students, you try to solve by self, and after then you watch this video. Friends, if you watch completely this video, then you subscribe this channel and like, press the like button. That's all. Thank you.